Become a warrior, we just have to shift our mindset. Actually, our brain doesn't know what is losing and what is winning. So, we can use the neuroplasticity to turn our failure into success. So, our brain's neuroplasticity can make us hero from zero. How we can do that? For that, we have to understand our obstacle. We just have to think about it, how I can bypass this obstacle, how can I overcome this obstacle, and if nothing is going to happen, how can I break through? So breaking through, that too with the intense pressure, makes you a new way in that obstacle. Sometimes it has been said that obstacle is the way. So for a warrior, obstacle is not only a hindrance to start the work, but it is a challenge and it actually motivates them. And when the obstacle motivates you, then you are unstoppable. You become a victorious warrior. I always say that to become a warrior, you should use your intelligence, because it has been said that before 500 years, ammunition and different kind of guns and all ammunitions were the power. But after that, now if you will ask me what is the most powerful thing, I will say you knowledge is the power. So if you want to become a warrior, you just have to become a knowledgeable person. That doesn't mean you just have to collect the information. Information and knowledge is different. Information is just a words or just a kind of a brains firing, but knowledge is understanding. When knowledge is there, then there is a light within, and that light is always there for you. But information is not always for you. It is only for the temporary time. So my dear friends, when you want to become a warrior, have the knowledge of warrior mindset. And as I told you, our brain neuroplasticity is our friend to become a warrior mindset person. So first thing, start from doing today is behave like a military person. Military persons are very disciplined, and the first thing they do is they make their bed in the morning, because they say that their routine can be very much challenging after that. So at least in the evening they will have in a mind one thing I did nicely. So, and the psychology also says, if you do one thing nicely, systematically, your 10 things will follow systematically. It's a law of serendipity. So my dear friends, may victory bless you, and may you have a warrior mindset. Thank you so much for joining this course. Namaste. Stay blessed.